so I'm back. I think that last one, it might have been a little bit too hot on the griddle. So I turned it down just a little bit. And yeah, I'll come back for my next one in a sec. Alright, so I'm back now. Spray it down with a little more cooking oil. Make sure it doesn't stick all around. Alright, so then I'm gonna ladle some more on there. Hopefully this one works a little bit better. Scrape off the bottom so it doesn't drip. Probably a good sized one. How did they think 3/4 cup of batter? Those must have been massive pancakes. But yeah. Alright, so number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Just a little more to that one. Alrighty. Cool. So yeah, I'll let those sit for a bit, let them cook until that thing happens, and I'll be back when they're ready to flip. Alright, so this first one I put down, it's looking pretty good. The bubbles are popping on top. And let's check the bottom. It's looking pretty, you couldn't see that obviously, but looking pretty good I think, and it's pretty firm, so I'm going to flip that. Maybe a little underdone, I'm not sure. But yeah, it flipped really easily, so yeah, I'll flip the others in a minute because they're not all done yet. But yeah, I'll pause this for a second then. Alright, so the others, as you can see, are popped on top already. They're not as golden brown as I thought they would get, but I'm pretty sure just based off the top they're ready, so. This one. So yeah, they're looking pretty good. Yeah, I'll check back when they're ready to flip another time. Alright, so I got 2 ready here. These ones are flipped. They're a little damp on the bottom, but that's because of the oil. But yeah, they're looking pretty golden brown. And I'm going to put these right on my dad's plate because he needs to eat breakfast. So. Whee! You'll give the rating. Alright, so yeah. And then these are probably ready too. Yeah, looking pretty good, looking pretty good. So I'll put these, I got a bowl right here, so put those in the bowl. Alright, so I'm going to pour a couple more now. And then yeah, I'll probably stop recording here after this little pour. Because you've seen me flip them. You've seen that they're cooking, and that I'm doing it. So, yeah, they're looking pretty good, and hopefully they'll taste really good. So, yeah, I'll come back with some toppings once they're all done. And, yeah. Alright, so I'm back. I've got a banana here that I'm just going to slice up for you, or for us to put on top of our pancakes. So I've got my little bear claw here. I'm just using it like this knife because it's easier than a huge chef knife. Sorry if this is being hard. It's hard to prop my phone up somewhere. But yeah, well, you saw me do that. So yeah, There's all my slices. I didn't finish it because the phone didn't work, but yeah. So then I'll put those on top of my pancakes. There's a couple more cooking there. But yeah. Thanks for watching my video. Yeah, sorry it's long.